What is up, everybody? Today we are adding a new car to the channel, so let's check out our 2013 328i.
Surprise, surprise, boys. It's actually my build. Now that I'm taking over AJ's channel, let me introduce the car to you. It's a 2013 e93 328i. Why are there so many threes? Not really sure. Okay, so let's show you what I bought. First off, I'm gonna do a quick little walk around tour. The car is actually in pretty mint condition, but of course, like my husband, when I see a car, I automatically think of things I wanna change. So first, we're gonna start with the wheels. This is already a debate in our house. I like one style, he likes the other, so stay tuned to see what we go with. Next, we have this granny chrome. We're gonna get rid of that. Not a big fan, probably gonna change it to a black grille. Now, don't ask me about the motor. All I can tell you is it's not turbo, so it's not that fast, but it does have some pickup. Okay, now the interior of this car is really what sold me on it. I love this light leather. Don't get me wrong, I love the peanut butter interior on BMWs. Would have loved to have had that, but here in South Carolina, the sun is ripping hot. So with the convertible down, it would burn your tush. So we can't have that. Now for the radio area, I do like the look, it is OEM, but with it being a 2013, it does not come with Apple CarPlay, so I will be switching that out so it's more convenient for traveling and road trips. Now to talk about some cons of the car, something that I really wanted in my convertible is I wanted back seats. Not necessarily to be able to use them, but I wanted to have that bigger car feel and to kind of add some safety. You can see the back seats here, they're not really usable. My Husky will be back here, that's just about it. Now for the trunk, this is pretty cool to be able to see how the hardtop convertible comes down into the trunk. However, you see there's not much space, so they do say 1 to 2 luggage pieces will fit back there. I'm not real sure if that's the case.
All right, you guys, so a little bit different of a build series. Hopefully you guys like the walk around. Nevertheless, we're gonna start throwing mods in this thing. We'll catch you on the next one.
Let's build pearl suckers. Bye, y'all.
You can